Buvnaka, my name is Crystal and I'm from Lautoka and I'm here to cheer for the Chiefs. The reason I chose to cheer for the Chiefs is because my godfather just passed away and he was a staunch supporter of the Chiefs. So I'm here to honor his memory and support the Chiefs. Cheer, bro!
My name is Akareva. I'm schooling in Bunda. I'm in class 7. Go Chiefs, go!
I'm Tim Benson and I'm from Hamilton and from Chiefs country, and of course there's only one team to support, Chiefs, and so fantastic game. I'm looking forward, the atmosphere is great and people are being very accepting of Chiefs supporters. Manaka.
Fijian Drua!